I'm trying to put my hands in my pocket because I'm told I speak a lot with my hands, so I'm trying to chill with that. Don't get me wrong, fall is my favorite season of all. I love the chilly mornings, I love the warm days, I love the chilly evenings, I love fire pits crackling and fireplaces crackling. I love all of that. I love to wear, my fall clothing. I love to have a nice blazer on or a trench coat or something like that. I love the boot season. I love booty season. I love it all. What I don't like about fall, people bring it on too quickly. You saw in my Florida vlog, Halloween things all over the place. Come on, the Halloweening of it all and the pumpkin spicing of it all. But everything is pumpkin spice flavored, pumpkin spice scented. I'm trying to put my hands in my pocket because I'm told I speak a lot with my hands, so I'm trying to chill with that. So in this video, we're gonna talk about fall outfits that you can wear to the airport. Now, I'm not talking pre-fall. I've seen some of the girlies on YouTube talking about fashion content. I am not a fashion girly, but I do enjoy dabbling in fashion. I do like it. I'm even trying to go to New York Fashion Week. Stay tuned for that vlog. So I do enjoy dabbling in fashions and trying to keep my finger on the pulse of fashions. But this is all about travel on this channel. But since this is travel related content, fashion related to travel, then we're going to talk about the fashions related to travel. So in this video, I'm going to give you some fall content of the kinds of outfits that I wear to go to the airport during the fall going into winter. I'm not talking about pre-fall. There is not even a season called pre-fall. What is it that people are doing these days? There is no pre-fall, y'all. It's fall, winter, spring, and summer, okay? So we're going to go with that. So let's start with the outfit that I'm wearing. So again, we're going to start with shoes. And I can wear this outfit that I'm wearing with any of these shoes that I have here. Now, because I have TSA PreCheck free with my global entry, I wear shoes that I will not have to take off in the airport, which is why I tend to go with sneakers and soft sole shoes and rubber soled shoes, etc. They won't make the metal detectors go off. So what you're seeing is me wearing my outfits with that. I can also wear this outfit very simply with, my denim jacket. This again is very, very my style. I like comfortable, I like soft, I like fabrics that are going to keep me warm but not have me feeling sweaty and restricted and such. So this is something I'm likely to wear on a short flight so that if the airplane is stuck somewhere or something like that, I'm not gonna be cold because my legs are exposed, but I'm gonna be warm, and whenever I get to wherever I get to, I'll be okay. Now, I very seldom wear jeans, and even less so do I wear jeans to travel. However, if I do, then this is probably what my outfit looks like when I'm doing said travel in jeans wear. And since this is all, denim is trending for this season, for this year, all the seasons this year, then I could do a denim on denim look like this. Now, just like I am not very likely to be seen in jeans, I'm very, very likely to be seen in a pair of tights or a pair of leggings. Now, if the weather is unseasonably cold or it's an in-between kind of temperature where it's very, very chilly one part of the day and very, very warm another part of the day, then you will definitely see me dressing in layers. You'll see me dressing in layers, period, for the fall because of the way that it's cooler in the morning and maybe, a little bit warmer in the evenings. But you'll see me in something like this. I can wear it with this denim jacket. Or I can even wear it with my trench coat. I like to ruche up the sleeve for a little bit more style. Well, what did you guys think? I hope you enjoyed the video. I felt a little silly doing it. As a matter of fact, if you saw the bloopers for this video, you'd be just dying. But I kept laughing at myself because quite honestly, I'm very self-deprecating. If you know me, I'm gonna laugh at myself. So I kept laughing at myself because I felt like, who do you think you are? You're nothing but 5'3.5". Trying to be this model, but you know what? It was a fun video. I enjoyed making it, and I hope that you enjoy watching it. And let me know down in the comments which of these looks was your favorite outfit look for the fall to travel through the airport, or just to, just which was your favorite look, period. So let me know down in the comments, and let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see from me. And let me know what you like to wear when you travel via air in the fall season. And even what's your favorite season? Is your favorite season fall as well? I like hot cocoa and hot tea and those kinds of things. And so snuggling up under blankets and, cuddling and snoodling and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you value experiences over things, because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you richer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.